Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet shoes for your babies. Attending or participating in a crochet show can be a delightful experience with a range of benefits. Here are some of the key advantages: inspirations and creativity, fresh ideas. Seeing different designs and techniques can spark new ideas for your own projects. Trend spotting. You can stay updated on current trends and emerging styles in the correct word. Skill development. Workshops. Many crochet shows offer hands-on workshops where you can learn new techniques and refine your skills. Expert advice. You can get tips and guidance from experienced crocheters and designers. Networking opportunities. Meet other crafters. It's a great chance to connect with fellow crochet and expand your crafting community. Collaborations. You might find opportunities for collaborations or partnerships on future projects. Access to supplies and tools. New products shows often features vendor with a variety of yarns, tools and accessories that might not be available locally. Exclusive deals. You might find special offers or discounts on crochet supplies. Showcasing your work. Gain recognitions. If you are displaying your own project, it's a great opportunity to showcase your work and receive feedback. Competitions. Some shows have competitions or awards that can give your work additionally exposure. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your beloved friends also can see such type of unique and beautiful video. We were talking about some benefits of crochet shoes, so we'll go ahead. Educational experience. Learn from the best. Attendees can benefit from the knowledge of leading designers and industry experts through lectures or panels. Explore new techniques. Discover different crochet styles and incorporate new elements into your projects. Community building. Social interaction. Engaging with others who share your passion can be a fun and fulfilling experience. Support and encouragement. The crochet community is known for being supportive and encouraging, which can be motivating and uplifting. Personal enjoyment. Fun and relaxation. Simply enjoying the event and immersing yourself in the world of crochet can be a rewarding experience. Creative expressions. Seeing a wide array of creative words can be personally satisfying and inspiring. Whether you're seasoned crocheter or just starting out, a crochet show can offer valuable experience and opportunities that enrich your crafting journey. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find all type of new videos for your knowledge. Exclusive deals. We're talking about the exclusive deals that to meet up, or if you get some gathering with your friends wherever and whenever, you can get many things from your friends meeting. You might find special offers or discounts on crochet suppliers. Dear viewers, with the happy ending of today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart